So my hair's been looking a little fuzzy since we've been stuck inside for almost 2 months now. Can't get to my barber, and today we're gonna try to use the Conair Barbershop Ultimate Grip Clipper to give myself a self haircut. Wish me luck. Alright, so the style we're going for is like short side, long top. I'm gonna start with cutting with number 4, just because it's long enough. I'm gonna do the sides, and then I'll go a little bit tighter on the bottom, and then we'll use scissors for the top. Gotta make sure you got the apron on too. Alright, we're cutting.
Oh! Oh!
I can't see. I have no depth perception. Alright, so the cut is pretty much done. I'll find out after I style it. It was really easy to cut the sides, which is what I was worried about, you know? You getting the cutters. This is what bothers me the most. The top I can deal with styling. The scissors came in clutch. I actually don't have any small scissors. Overall, it looks pretty good. I feel lighter, I feel younger, more sprightly. Now I'm gonna wash it, style it, and see how it looks. And there we go. That's the cut.